Hello and welcome back to Abby and Mommy Show. Welcome to the coronavirus. Wash your hands. Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be showing you how to wash your hands.
To stop
The coronavirus from spreading. Sometimes and scrub your hands, scrub them round and round. Do in between your fingers, do the thumbs as well. Do your waist, do your waist, do your other waist, do your other waist. And don't forget to do it all over again. Scrub your hands nice and clean. Do the back to front. Do in between your fingers. And don't forget the phone because it's sticking out. Then turn on the tap. Rinse your hands. Rinse your hands until all the soap is off, so your hands are clean. Then turn the tap off and then shake your hands. Shake your hands and then dry them. And then dry them with tissue. Throw it in the bin. Throw it in the bin. Now, question time.
Okay, well done, Abby. So today Abby have shown you guys how to wash your hands properly to stop the spread of coronavirus. Now in the UK we have got about 297 people infected now. So let's all try work together to stop the spread of coronavirus. So now I'm going to ask Abby a few questions. So now it's question time. This Abby's interview time. Let's number one question. Why do we wash our hands?
Because so the coronavirus can stop spreading.
Well done. Next question. Why do we wash our hands when we come from outside?
Because you touch dirty things from outside.
Well done. Okay, Abby, how often do we wash our hands? How often do we need to wash our hands?
7 times a day.
Very good. That was several times a day to stop the spread of the virus.
But I didn't say that, Mommy.
Okay, Abby, so when we sneeze and cough, how do we catch it? Where do you sneeze into, or what do you sneeze into when you cough and sneeze?
A tissue.
And then what do we do with the tissue?
Throw in the bin.
Well done. Now the final question. If we don't have a tissue, what do we do? How do we sneeze?
Cough in your ankle.
In your arm. Very good. Well done, Abby. So this is all the questions for today for Abby and all the demonstration. Now it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
So guys, thank you all for watching. If you enjoy watching these videos, you enjoy my content, don't forget to, Abby,
don't forget to subscribe, like and comment down below. Bye.
Very good. And please go up in the cards and watch the other videos or the next video on the playlist. Bye. See you next time.
Bye.